Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you what I picked up from the Sephora Holiday Savings event. So I just got all of my items in a couple of days ago and I was waiting for the weekend to film this video. Usually during the Sephora sales, I typically will wait for something that's a little bit more pricey and kind of splurge on like one or two higher ticket items. And those are likely things that I've been wanting for a long time, but are just a little bit more on the expensive side. So I'll hold off for this sale so I can get a better deal on it. So some examples of things that I've purchased in the past are things like the larger size of the SK2 essence, which is like over $250, I think. I've also bought some T3 hair tools during that time as well. But not only do I wait for like more expensive items for this sale, I also use this as an opportunity to pick up gifts for other people. So if I'm looking for little like stocking stuffers and things like that, now's the time when there's a lot of the holiday bundles that are up on the website. I think this year they probably posted a lot more of those things earlier. I've kind of noticed that a lot of different websites have been posting sale items or like their holiday stuff, I feel like a little bit earlier than they normally would on your typical year. But I think that this is a great time to pick up those gifts or even use some of the gift set as kind of like a larger sampler set for yourself. So there is an example of that within my order and I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. By the way, I forgot to mention, I will also leave a list of all of the items that I'm unboxing in the description box below, so you can go and check that out in case you needed some reference. Most of the items that I picked up in my order are actually skincare items. If you've been following along on my channel, you probably noticed that most of the stuff that I buy is skincare related and not too much makeup. I don't really go through makeup very quickly. I wear the most makeup probably when I'm on camera or if I'm going to some kind of event like a wedding or a dinner or something like that. So I typically spend my money on skincare items. So the items that I'm pulling out of this box is in no particular order, and actually quite a few of these things, or maybe all of them, are new to me. The first item that I have here is by Summer Fridays. This is their Super Amino Gel Cleanser. And I have just been looking for some additional cleansers and thought that this would be a great opportunity to stock up. On the back of the box it says, super powered by restorative cocktail of 11 amino acids and a splash of mineral-rich seawater. This gentle pH balancing cleanser washes away makeup and impurities while it moisturizes and nourishes the skin. So this is what the bottle looks like. It feels like a glass bottle, so that's really nice. I'm actually currently using a cleanser by Indie Lee and I'm almost finished with that, which is really the reason why I was looking for a cleanser. Some of you guys out there might know that I like to change up my cleansers, so I wanted to give that one a try. So again, speaking of cleansers, and this is a great time to stock up so you won't have to like spend as much money next year. I did also pick up this Belif Believe in Truth Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser, and so far I have been kind of trying Belif products here and there, and for the items that I've already tried I have really liked, so I thought that this would be a great one to try out. I felt that the price was pretty reasonable for a cleanser, and I have been becoming like more and more curious about this jelly texture that everybody talks about, so I thought this would be a good one to try out. A second Belif product that I picked up is their Aqua Bomb Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. I have been really enjoying cleansing balms lately. The one that I'm using right now is the Pharmacy, I think it's called Green Clean. But that one, what I found that I've really appreciated is that one came with a little spatula so that you can like take the product out without sticking your hands in there. And I thought, oh my gosh, I feel like I need to try another cleansing balm with the same thing going on, which is one of the reasons why I picked this one up, other than the fact that I have been liking Belif products. But I'm really excited to try this one out. I opened it up because I was gonna try and show you what it looks like and I wanted to take a look for myself, but it's sealed, so I'm gonna keep it that way until I'm ready to use it. Honestly, I have been finding cleansing balms like very convenient to use, and it just kind of gets like all of your makeup off. A part of me goes back and forth between a cleansing balm versus a cleansing oil. Typically, I do like having a cleansing oil around because it's easy to just put it in the shower and then just pump some product out when you need to use it. But lately I have been enjoying cleansing balms because they've been working really well for me, so I'm just kind of, continuing on that route. The next item I have here is the Ola Henriksen Banana Bright eye cream, and I'm currently using an eye cream by Belif, which is, you know, one of the reasons why I've been interested in their products. I've also tried like another moisturizer from them as well, but I am kind of halfway through or almost running out of that eye cream. So one thing I'm not super great about is using eye cream in the morning, and that's one of the reasons why I picked this one up. It says it goes on great under makeup, which I don't wear a lot of makeup during the daytime, but I thought that this would be a good option, and still thinking that, you know, it wouldn't really matter if I wore it at nighttime anyway. I have actually tried this product in the past before. I had like a larger sample size of it back then, so I thought I'd go ahead and give the full size a try. I remember it being pretty good, so I think this will work out good. So I have 3 more products to show you. This is the last skincare item, and just like I was mentioning, I do think that this is a great time to try out a little set while they have them for the holidays. I'm not sure if this is something that's available year-round, but I definitely see way more sets of things to try as we're approaching the holiday season. So I have been dying to try Tatcha for the longest time, and I'm really not sure what's been holding me back. Actually, I think partially the price point has been holding me back, because I do kind of fluctuate in and out between like lower and higher price point items. So a lot of the items that I just showed you are a little bit on the, I wouldn't say like they're inexpensive, but probably on the lower range. Tatcha is a little on the higher range, and so I feel like it's a little bit more of a treat for me. So this box comes with the Deep Cleanse, the Water Cream, and the Silk Peony. And Tatcha is calling this Pure and Pore-Perfecting Trio. On the top here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it says that it's valued at $104, but this set was $72. So this is actually the product that I am really looking forward to trying. This is the Tatcha Water Cream, and I'm actually running out of my current moisturizer, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to get a set that came with a moisturizer. I have heard tons and tons of things about this, seen a lot of people talk about it in videos, and the reviews are really great. So I'm looking forward to trying this. The next one here is the Deep Cleanse. On the back it says that this is a daily oil-free gel cleanser with natural fruit exfoliant for normal to oily skin. I'm looking forward to using this. This sounds like something that I would really like to use in the morning. And the Silk Peony is a melting eye cream for all skin types. So again, another eye cream. Maybe I could use the Ole Henriksen in the morning and this one at night. So I feel like I'm giving myself a little bit of variety with the items that I ordered in my purchase. So the last 2 items are coming out of their boxes, but both of them are brushes from Hourglass. So I picked up 2 of their dual-ended makeup brushes. This is the Veil Powder Brush, and I've seen a ton of other creators out there use both of these brushes for their makeup, and I always feel like their makeup comes out looking so great. I still have to figure out what's the best way to store dual-ended brushes, so if anybody has any suggestions, please leave me a comment below, because I'm definitely a person who like sticks my brushes in a cup or like container, you know, like upright like this. Obviously I can't do that if there are brushes on both sides, and I don't want to ruin either end. So I will take off the plastic end so I can show you what these look like. But these are the only non-skincare items that I purchased during the sale, and you know, my main reason why I wanted to try these is because, well, one, I've been seeing how so many other people have been getting along with these 2 brushes so great, specifically this larger one, and I wanted to like simplify and streamline my makeup application process, because I'm not a makeup artist. I just basically do what I can before I get on camera, and I wanted to kind of just make that process a little bit easier for me. So I thought some tools like this would help me a lot. Alright you guys, so here are the 2 brushes. So I've definitely seen more people out there use this one. This side for like applying powder all over the face, and this side for applying cheek products like blush and bronzer and stuff like that, and then people will go and blend it all out with the larger side. This one is a little bit smaller. I actually watched like an online tutorial by Hourglass where they talked about using this for more of their like blush application and bronzer and stuff like that. So I thought that these 2 would work really great together. I'm actually trying to downsize on some of my brushes, and I've been posting them online to sell because I do actually have sets that I've never really used before. I thought it looked good at the time, a long time ago. I just never used any of them. Like I washed them and I had them ready to use, but I've never touched any of them because I just don't wear that much makeup. Like I said, I don't go in like super detailed and anything like that. So I have a lot of things that I never really needed. So trying to downsize and looking for things that I really like, that are a little bit more versatile and that I can just, continue to use and wash. I think these two will be really great additions to my brush collection. All right, you guys, well, those are all of the items that I picked up during the Sephora Holiday Sale. Let me know down in the comments if you shopped during the sale, what you picked up or what your favorite item you picked up was. If you own any of the items that I mentioned during this video, also let me know how that's going for you, because I definitely want to know if it's working for everybody else out there, because I'm very hopeful that it'll work for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!